Hey there! For today's activity, we'll be working on shapes together. Let's try rectangles. You'll need colors. Next says trace the rectangles. I'm going to use a black marker. It says to do 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangles have 4 sides.